Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are filming my LoveGoodly box. I want to say this one is December, January? I don't remember off the top of my head. But LoveGoodly is a bi-monthly box, so you get one every 2 months. And there's always all kinds of goodies that are fun. Sometimes they do like a single brand run in the whole box. Sometimes it's a mix of things. And I do the upgraded version, so it comes with an additional, usually expensive item, and that costs a little more, but I figure for these videos it's a little more interesting. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's in this box. But first, I have used a couple of items from my Medusa's makeup bag subscription that came earlier this month. Things are coming very sporadically this month, which I guess is to be expected since it's December and everyone's ordering presents and shipping presents and stuff. But yeah, I used the, well, let's talk about this one first. From last month's box, they sent me a new one, and this one was also falling out of the container. I did push it back in, but that's kind of annoying, and it seems like it's just something that this product does. But it's from Peony, and it is the Pink Glow. And I used a little of it today, and it was kind of a fuss to work with. It's really, really pink. I had to work with it a lot to not look crazy on my cheek. I think I'm just too pale for it. So I'm going to send this to a friend because it's just not for me. And then on my eyes, I also used the Medusa's Makeup Liquid Eyeshadow in the color Ava. And it is the most beautiful wash of color. It's gorgeous. I love this. I wore this out to a theater event last week, and it was magnificent. I felt so beautiful. I love this color so much. This is probably one of my new favorite items. I'm that obsessed with it. So definitely check out this in the color Ava. It is fantastic. Now let's go ahead and crack into this LoveGoodly box. So we've got our cards on top. I'll go ahead and start with the one for the main box. It says, let's see, nothing important on the front. Yes, this is the December 21, January 22 box. Can you believe we're going into a new year? That's wild. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 products in here, and it says it's, I'm like burping, sorry. It says it's a $77+ value. So let's go ahead and pull things out. The first thing we've got is this little pouch, this little cute little knit pouch. I'm gonna open that up, and this is a bracelet. So let me read to you about this bracelet. This is a $23.99 value custom macrame heart bracelet. Could come in black or red. Looks like I got red. This delightful macrame wrap bracelet is from Wakami, an artisan collective in Guatemala. The group was organized to help residents in rural areas produce sustainable income and attain economic stability. They craft the bracelets from waxed polyester cord, adding a Zamak heart pendant to one of them. Oh, so I guess maybe there's 2 bracelets in there? Why does it say to one of them? I don't know. We'll look further in. The length of both can be adjusted with these sliding knots. Made in Guatemala, fair trade, vegan, cruelty-free, and charitable. Let's open this up. So I don't know why they're saying the word both in here, because I only got 1 bracelet. I don't know if I was supposed to get 2, but there's definitely only 1. I don't know. I'll look into that later, but it is, like they said, a waxed polyester cord with the heart pendant right there. Adjustable. I get that the intention behind this is absolutely fantastic with it providing sustainable jobs to that community, but this to me is kind of meh. It gives me very like early 2000s Kabbalah vibes when all the celebrities were wearing those red cords around their wrist because they were suddenly all very into Kabbalah. I guess because Madonna was, so everyone was. I don't know if anyone remembers that time, but that's what this gives me, those kind of vibes. Just because it's red, honestly, no other reason. And there are 2 bracelets on the card, so I wonder if I was supposed to get 2 bracelets and only got 1? I don't know. I don't know, it's a little confusing, but I can't really figure out how to work it to get it on. It's very stiff. Okay, there we go. I don't even know if I can get this on my wrist, to be honest. Gotta really tug at it. It's not. I'll be right back. Okay, so I got it on, but now I can't get it to tighten. So I'm just gonna take it off. This to me is not that exciting. It's difficult to use. It's reading as though I'm supposed to get 2 and I only got 1. So this is kind of a disappointing product to receive. It's, I don't know, it feels really cheap. It's kind of whatever. Moving on. Let's try and go in order, I guess. We have a kabuki brush. It says this is a $15 value from the brand Jing Ai. This Luxe Kabuki brush with bamboo handle flawlessly buffs color into your cheeks, eyelids, and anywhere you're looking for a healthy pop of color. Made with eco materials, the handle is solid bamboo, and the bristles are synthetic because we would never test or use the hair of our furry friends. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and eco-friendly. So here's the packaging. Their packaging is beautiful. And I may have mentioned this in previous videos, but there is construction happening up the street from us. So if you hear random banging that makes it onto camera, that's what that is. They're building a house. So, oh, it's very soft, like really soft. Feels really nice. I'm not sure how exactly I would use this given the shape. I mean, I guess I could do blush, but for me, this is a little big for blush. I guess I could apply foundation with this. It's very pretty and it's very soft. It's not too heavy, it's not too light. This is a nice brush. Did I need another kabuki brush? I mean, not really, but it is a nice brush and I will probably use it, so that's not so bad. Next item is from Kokoru, and this is an eye serum. Says it's a $29.95 value. Kokoru's caffeinated eye serum is loaded with antioxidants and designed to reduce puffiness, dark circles, and fine lines. It is packaged in a luxurious roller ball and made with organic jojoba oil and infused with pure caffeine. It's unscented, free of synthetic fragrances, non-toxic, cruelty-free, and vegan. And that is the entire ingredient list: organic jojoba oil and caffeine. Here's what it looks like. So it's interesting, the idea of a oil that just has caffeine in it. Definitely something that could interest people in the mornings to perk you up. I don't love the roller ball idea. Just because as it touches your skin, anything it lifts off your skin, it's rolling back into that product. So it's definitely exposing the product to maybe, I mean, obviously you're going to be using this after you cleanse your skin, but nothing's 100%, so it could be exposing it to bacteria or dead skin cells or anything that could make it kind of yucky. But it is interesting. I do worry about the fact that it is a straight oil. I wonder how well that will absorb into the under eye area, but it's definitely something I'm interested in. I'm very fascinated by it, and I am going to definitely try because it sounds very interesting. This idea of just straight caffeine hit to the eye. So, kind of excited about that one. The last product is this big old thing. Look how cute this packaging is. So this is from Ethique. It's the Skin and Hair Solid Bar Trial Kit. 3 types: normal, dry, and oily. So it looks like, according to the card, you get the blue, the pink, or the teal. Or I guess this is more a turquoise or something like that. And each is a little different. So which one is this? This is for dry skin and hair, the one that I got. Looks like it's made in New Zealand. This is a $13 value. Ethique is committed to their mission of preventing plastic bottles from being made and disposed of in landfills around the world. By using solid bars, there is no need for plastic. They have saved 13 million plastic bottles from entering landfills. Compostable packaging? It just says straight compostable packaging, period. Okay. Follow the directions on how to use the bars. All three appropriate for all skin, so all three options can work for any skin type. Non-toxic, cruelty-free, vegan, charitable, sustainable, and eco-friendly. So this is kind of cool. So it looks like it's going to come with 4 products in here. Let me try to push it this way. So here we go. So we've got 4 little hearts that I just dropped all over the place. I don't know which one was which. Hold on, I'll do it by the picture. Okay, yeah, I totally screwed up 2 of these. Okay. So this one up here is the shampoo bar. It's the Frizz Wrangler. This one up here, also, they all smell really good, is the Guardian. It's a solid conditioner. This one is a face cleanser. And then this one that is wrapped up is a butter block. So it's like a body butter, a solid body butter. So that's really cool. I'm actually very, very excited about this. I've recently been really enjoying solid shampoo. I haven't had as much success with solid conditioner. And that might just be the nature of my hair being thick, dry, and difficult, curly, and wavy. But solid shampoos I've been loving lately. I've had solid body butter things in the past and enjoyed those, so I'm interested to see how all these work out. This I'm actually really, really jazzed about. And then the last item in the box is our lovely VIP product, and this is from Maaharandi. Here's the box. Beautiful gold foil writing. And this is the Believer, a $65 value. Maaharandi makes skincare products inspired by ancient Indian wisdom. In Hindi, Maha means great and Indaran means beauty. So that's kind of cool. Cool naming. The Believer Face Moisturizer helps nurture and protect your skin with super absorbent antioxidant rich blends of vitamin C, E, B5, B3, and pure CBD oil. Use every day to plump and hydrate and restore skin's radiant, youthful glow. Gently massage onto clean face and neck until absorbed for supple, radiant skin. Fabulous under makeup by day and restorative treatment by night. Eco-friendly, non-toxic, vegan, cruelty-free. So, I'll just drop something on the floor. Here's the box. And here is, well, it's a little beat up in here. Here is the item itself. I'm going to set that back in the box because we need to read the ingredients. So midway through the ingredient list is lavender oil, so I won't be using this on my face. So I'm probably going to add this to the box of goodies I'll be giving away in January, because I'm sure one of you would love this. Aside from the lavender oil, it seems fine. So if you're not necessarily worried about putting lavender on your face, then this is probably going to be a really cool product to try. So I'm not even going to open it and look at the consistency, since this is going to go to one of you. So overall with this box, the main big VIP product that's the $65 value is something I'm not going to use, which is disappointing. Really annoying, actually. I am very excited about this item, but it is the lowest value item in the box. I'm also interested to see how this works, and I think that this kabuki brush is very interesting. The bracelet is kind of a throwaway to me. I don't care that it's a $24 value. This just feels like junk. Sending a piece of jewelry in the box always feels risky and maybe like not the best idea, because everyone has such different styles who's in the vegan community. Like, just because we're all vegan doesn't mean we all like the same thing, and sending along jewelry like this feels like a major waste to me. That said, I think I maybe have a friend that would like this. This is more her style, so I'll probably set this aside and give this to her. This isn't really me. String bracelets aren't necessarily my thing, just because it's fussy and I like things to be super easy. That's why I'm more of an earring person. Taking earrings in and out is like the easiest thing ever. But yeah, I get what they're doing here, and I especially appreciate that it is fair trade, but I just think sending jewelry is kind of... I didn't like the last piece of jewelry they sent, actually. I had it on Poshmark for a while, and there was literally not a single like on that item, so I removed it from my Poshmark and stuck it in my donation box. So it's gonna go live at whatever the next donation type center I go to is, because it's junk. And the last necklace they sent was so ugly, and it had like weird recycled scuba gear on it. It was just strange. I was not a fan of that. This is at least kind of cute, even though it's just not my style. Yeah, I don't love when traditionally beauty subscriptions send jewelry. That's just my thing. But you know, 3 products out of 5, and 3 of the cheaper products, really. So I give it a C+. I'm not a big fan of this box, to be honest, but it's not like a fail. So that's my opinion. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below, and if you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. Otherwise, I'll talk to you all later. Bye!